What the heck is this? I've never seen anything like it before. It looks like something really weird.
I just finished soldering this main water line that's going to come out of the ground right here. Go to the, gonna have a spigot right there, and then this is going to go into the house.
This is the installation location.
Before I install it, I want to make sure there are no leaks, that I did a good job on my soldering. So what I've done is I've capped off one end. I'm going to shut the valve off on the faucet, and then go ahead. I'm going to take this little contraption here, little shark bite at the end. Just going to slide that on, and take this side and hook this up to the garden hose, and I'm going to test it out, see how my soldering job did. There we go. Set it on. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and hook it right here. Screw that on. I have to use both hands. All right, got it screwed on there. May leak a little bit here, but there is the contraption just dangling there. And go ahead and turn the water on. See what happens. Okay, so far, no drips. Now, go ahead and turn this spigot on just for a second. There's definitely water. Shut it off. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right. It's looking good. All right. All the sweated joints are holding nicely. Excellent. That makes my job feel much more at ease doing this install. I'm just going to use this shark bite removal tool to take off the end, and I'm ready for installation. Unfortunately,
Please like and subscribe.